Sometimes you want, for all the paintings that I do, I try to make sure that there's a high contrast on the subject more than the objects around the subject. So the focus. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to look at levels on this video. So what we're going to do first, I need to remind you guys that you can get photo references from gumroad.com or qbrush.co, and you can also get custom brushes on both websites, and I'll leave a description of the links in the section below. So let's jump right into this. This is a painting I did maybe a couple of months ago, and right now I'm going to see what I can improve on this painting using one of the photo filters on here. So go down to the adjustment layers at the bottom and see all these filters. The one we're going to explore is the levels. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see that there's a mask and the adjustments on the other side right here. I'm going to click on the adjustments, and what I can do is adjust these little handles right here. And you just adjust it to where you think it should be to make it look a little better. And if you don't want that much darkness, what you can do is click on the mask. You can do like hold control and tap I. And what you can do is you hide the adjustments. See, it's all black. And what you can do, use the color white and use a soft brush and lower the opacity, and you can bring some of it. You can slowly reveal more dark areas, and it's wherever you want. So you have better control over your darks in your painting. And you can make it look the way you want it. See, now it looks more alive. It looks a little bit better with the dark areas. And that's how you can make it look even more interesting. So, and there's another way you can do this. I'm going to delete this layer. I'm going to go back here, go to levels, and there's this part right here, presets. This is another way you can see increase contrast, 1, 2, and 3. You also have lighten shadows, or lighter, or make the midtones brighter, or make the midtones darker. So you can do increase the contrast right there, or you can do 2 and then 3. But like I said before, you can hide those adjustments. So sometimes you want, for all the paintings that I do, I try to make sure that there's a high contrast on the subject more than the objects around the subject. So the focus so that your eyes will be drawn to the subject, the main subject of your illustration or painting. So just check out these adjustments, just kind of experiment. And if you want to adjust without adjusting the surrounding areas of the canvas, what you can do is hold Alt, and you see this little icon here. You can click in between there, and now every adjustment will be isolated to the painting canvas right here. So check this out. It's called a clipping mask, and yeah, just check this out. See what you can do to make some of your paintings better just by using this one tool. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Also, check me out on Rumble, not just YouTube, but Rumble as well. And you guys just have a good day. See you next time.